Projects of Wellington. Today we'll be sorting out the seatbelt on this mx5. Somehow this passed the MOT with this fraying. So what we're going to do is undo that bolt down there, and now we're going to get into here so we can get access to the other part of the belt, which will be down here somewhere I expect. So we're just going to undo all these clips to gain access. What I'll do is disconnect the battery. I've actually taken mine out to give it a charge, so it's been sat here. So once that's done, I've undone all this casing which just pulls out, and then down here is the actual part we need to remove. This here, we'll have to disconnect that charge, and then this lot should all come out by unbolting there and unbolting down there as well. So that'll be our next job. I don't think you need to pull all this lot out. I've taken that cover off just to give it some movement, but hopefully we can just unclip this and just move it out the way so we can unbolt it. So that's our next job. Managed to take this lot off so far. So what there is a 14mm socket down there to undo, or bolt to undo. 14mm bolt here, a 10mm retaining bolt here, and now we're doing another 14 down here for the bottom end. The airbag wire just pulls out and then slides back in, obviously, and that's it basically. So now I'm just going to be removing this one. These are quite tight, so we're going to have to torque these up to spec. But yeah, this is the last one to come undone now, so now we can replace it with a new one.